I'm Cole Sherman. I play for the band Black Axe. We're a metal band. We're more modern metal. We're not old crap like Iron Maiden, Slayer, Pantera, Ozzy Osbourne, or Black Sabbath. I kind of like Metallica. They're an old school band. They sound like this most of the time. Well, that's Metallica for you. And the reason I like Metallica is because they went in and saved metal from when metal was dying. They went in there and got more fans. But back then, people didn't really care what music was like. So somehow people liked this. Well, when I was born, I got picked on and had a hard life, so I decided to create a darker tune, which is always, this is our signature tune. You can hear most of them. We always have this. Yeah, we always have that. And the reason is because I had a hard life when I was younger, and I decided to create a heavy metal band, taking out screaming with taking out aggression. So Metallica, they had to be like a very happy band in order to play really fast like this. Well, metal, you can play fast if you're mad too, but Metallica, they always seemed happy when they play, so they're always like... I like Metallica's music anyway. I don't know why, I just really do. Before, I didn't really like them because I think they were just all kind of... But one of my favorite bands is Five Finger Death Punch. I actually have a poster of them sitting right there. I'm a Five Finger Death Punch person, and I like Zoltan and Ivan from Five Finger Death Punch. I like Chris too. Jason just thinks he's all awesome and good, but my favorite one is probably Trouble or Wash It All Away by Five Finger Death Punch. Trouble goes like this. That's not quite how it goes. Let me try again to see how it goes. Yeah, that's more like it. And I also like Mudvayne, Disturbed, Killswitch Engage, Slipknot, Mice and Men, Lansdowne, Breaking Benjamin, Metallica, Ice Nine Kills, Motionless in White, Disturbed. There's many else out there, I just don't remember them all. I like Rob Zombie a little bit. Arch Enemy. Who's the other one? From Ashes to New, I kind of like them a little bit. Bad Wolves, Korn, can't think of them all right now. Nickelback. I'll just think of some other. I kind of like the bands I go on tour with. I like Evil Dreams a lot and Thunder. Thunder sounds like this because my friend Reed plays in it, and he likes Metallica, so they kind of sound thrash metal too. Play with him, and we got to be really good friends, and then one day we just started not talking to each other, but that's when I decided I wanted to change to different music, to darker tone, so we got into metalcore or death metal, and we kind of got this tune stuck in our head a lot. I started listening to Mudvayne, and then I started getting Fall Asleep riff. Mudvayne's a good band. I don't know what happened to them, but it went down the drain. Alright, I gotta write my own song here. Hang on. I don't know what I'm going to name it, but I'll give it a name here sometime. We're getting our ballad better.